Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Daily Current Affairs Vertical Bar 12th July 2021. Q.1 Joe Biden has nominated Eric Garcetti, the mayor of which city, to read as ambassador to India? Ans. Los Angeles, USA. Q.2 Two new species of spiders have been found in the Jharbari range of Chirang Reserve Forest of which state? Ans. Assam. Q.3 Which day is celebrated all over the world on 11th July? Ans. World Population Day. Ans. Q.4 Which charitable organization has released the Hunger Virus Multiplicity Report? Ans. Oxfam. Q.5 Which department and National Institute has prepared the world's first oral cancer variant? Q.5 Which department? Ans. Department of Biotechnology. Q.6 Who has instructed banks and other financial institutions to discontinue the London interbank offer rate? Ans. Reserve Bank of India. Q.7 Which space agency's ICESat to satellite has discovered Antarctic meltwater lakes? Ans. NASA. Ans. NASA. Q.8 Which bank's CEO Shyam Srinivasan has been reappointed as the CEO of the bank for a period of 3 years? Ans. Federal Bank. Q.9 Which state has released the first draft of a bill targeted for population control? Ans. Uttar Pradesh. Q.10 Who organized the G20 high-level tax seminar? Ans. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Thank you so much for watching.